this about the temple by any chance? Unfortunately for her, by then there wasn't time for Itsuki to start looking around for a new contracted monk. Once you've been given a contract, it's an extremely difficult matter to have it changed. You know that.
Yes. You have to find a way to break the bond between you, just like with Makina.
I was thrown into the whole thing before I had the slightest clue about what was expected of me.
What's the matter? You can be killed, right?
I can't help it. This is my first time.
What's wrong, Shikabane-kun?
So, how is that? From now on, this is what it...
Hold on a second. Try not to move.
Why would I try to move?
There. See? See, I did okay, right?
Your injuries are much worse than mine. I mean,
Don't worry, I told you I died, right? It was a bus accident.
you mean that was true?
Of course it is, even after I've taken all that time to explain it. You still have trouble believing me, don't you? Shikabane are corpses that because of intense regrets or obsessions stay animate even after death. After that day, I became a Shikabane.